Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Austin. Today we're gonna do something a little different. So everybody knows that YouTube always somehow manages to recommend one weird video or some video that's not correlated to anything that you have watched in the past few days. So I found this video in my recommended. Adult film star broke her back. Not gonna lie, I saw the title and I saw the thumbnail and I was like, yo, she got a dumpy. Gotta watch this low key. The video is by a dude named Dr. Jason. So somehow if his community or him ends up somehow seeing this video, I'm sorry. There's no malintent or anything like that. I just thought it was a brilliant idea for a title and a thumbnail. So let's just go from here. All right, let's put a full screen and let's run it.
This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.
Really?
I've had like a lot of back pain, lower back pain, and my arch is pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Work really causes like a lot of stress on my body and my spine, I think.
Yeah. Well,
Dude, this man's a genius.
Gia is an adult film star. Sometimes I just need to relax.
What is this, an ad? I'm just gonna skip it.
Yeah, well, we're put into like a lot of like crazy like contortions and like positions and just like strain on the body.
Yeah, strenuous strain, both of them, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I know Jane, she was showing us these crazy positions where she was like on the floor and like, you know, and it was like,
what?
Yeah.
I couldn't even believe some of it, you know, what she was
What?
doing to herself.
Yeah,
Are you kidding me?
Some too. It's not only just the positions with another partner.
She's gonna show us some positions? Whoa, can I show this on YouTube?
Like, for example, like I'll be...
Whoa, hold on a minute. Wait. Am I able to show this on YouTube? Oh, what?
Standing, even just standing. Like, I'll have to be like this.
God, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. This man's a genius.
She'll be like, arch more.
Wow.
And like that. Or like sitting. This.
Wow.
Like,
I need a sip of G Fuel for this.
So this is like,
my legs are really elastic.
but this is work for you.
Like that.
And this is actually, and stay there for a sec.
Yeah.
This area right here, so can I lower this just a tad? So this.
This is crazy. This man, I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this, but this man is a genius. If there's any adult film stars who wants to make a video with me, please hit me up. I will do anything. Well, maybe not everything.
This area right here at the bottom, this is actually where you have a fracture.
Right.
So there's a fracture right there in that area, and
So
it's
crazy. And I'm sure it's gotten like a lot worse because of like all this.
You guys think that that's the position that she broke her back in?
Okay, for like a photo.
Yeah.
For me, like, it's always all about my butt. Like, they always just want to see my butt. So, like, I would just be like this. Or if it's like that.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, this man says. I'm honestly just fascinated. Honestly, like, no joke. Like, this man knows. This man knows what people want. This man knows what people want. There's a reason why I'm watching this video. There's a reason why I'm watching this video. He done it right. Done it right.
And sometimes they'll put you on like crazy stuff, like a little stool or something. You have to like balance and be like this and just like.
Wow.
Like,
Wow.
In, shoulders loose.
This cameraman.
And
Dude, this cameraman's sitting there like, now I know how it feels to be a real cameraman. Oh, I'm so fucking funny, dude. Goddamn.
so we're gonna start working this QL quadratus lumborum. You breathe.
Combutus lumborum? What the fuck did I just hear?
Remember-
Go back. What'd I just hear?
Loose, and we're gonna go here. There we go. So we're gonna start working this QL quadratus lumborum.
QL Madronas. What? I'm trying to learn. There's too much ass on my screen, dude. There's too much dump truck.
We're gonna get a nice little stretch into the feet here. There we go. A little stretch here. See if we can get a little motion here. Drop there. Tight there. And now what we're gonna do is breathe in nice.
She's got some dirty ass socks.
And we're gonna scoot you a little bit over that way. All right, let this go here. So we're gonna dig into the psoas. Now you are flexible, but can you tell how tight it is here?
Yeah, it tickles. Oh.
Oh, yo! What? Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Are you kidding me? How much views does this video have? 1.5 million?
This is the quad tendon where it intersects with the psoas.
Oh. That's something.
Yeah.
Oh, yo, she knows. She knows. She blocked her mouth. She was gonna block her mouth because she knew. She was like, yo, that sounds like a moan because it feels fucking good, bro. What do you mean? She knows, dude.
Much better. Let's go on your tummy now. We're gonna work the glute a little bit. Hips relaxed.
Great. Now the dump truck's on my screen again. That's a weird massaging maneuver. Coming in with the elbow. Shit, he's going for the headlock. Oh shit!
Your fingers right there. Exactly.
Fucking flip her over.
Now chest up. Breathe in and fall back. Fall.
This man knows.
Oh.
Huge.
Oh my god.
Oh man, I just can't stop imagining other things. I'm going to hell, dude.
Now, how'd we do?
Wow, so good.
Amazing.
So good. So worth it.
Look at that eye contact, dude. Go back a few seconds here. Watch this eye contact.
How'd we do?
Wow, so good.
Amazing.
You're telling me there's no chemistry there? Are you kidding me? This man knows. He's an actor and a chiropractor. A master chiropractor. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Not much was done after that. It was pretty much just, you know, them talking about recommending other people to do some chiropractic stuff. So if you guys want to watch the video for yourself and, you know, do whatever you want with it, I'm not here to tell you anything. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Make sure you do that. While you're down there, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. If you guys want to see some more reactions of some sort of whatever videos or games or pictures, whatever, make sure you leave a comment down below. Tweet all the videos, pictures, stuff, whatever at me. Ring the bell for notifications. And yeah, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.